Welcome to Gary's Mod. In this guide, we'll explore how to make the most of your Gmod experience, especially geared for new players. First things first, let's familiarize ourselves with the basic controls and interface. Knowing your key bindings will enhance your gameplay. Next up, explore the various game modes. From Trouble in Terrorist Town to Prop Hunt and Sandbox, there's something for everyone. Don't forget about add-ons. We'll show you how to discover and install mods that can take your gameplay to the next level. Get connected. Engaging with the Gmod community on forums and social media will enhance your experience and help you make new friends. Choosing the right server is essential. We'll guide you on selecting one that matches your playstyle for the best experience. YouTube is a treasure trove of tutorials. Learning from experienced players can provide you with valuable gameplay tactics. Get creative. Understanding and experimenting with the various tools available in Gmod can unleash your imagination. Lastly, keep up with updates and community events. Staying informed will greatly enhance your Gmod experience. So, dive in, explore, and enjoy everything Gary's Mod has to offer. The possibilities are endless.